SM City Cebu. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's have a quick update on the ongoing construction of SM City Cebu Expansion as of February 2024. Just sit back and relax while watching this video. The expansion will consist of a school university, the National University, BPO offices, and multi-level parking. A 9-story building that will house the campus of a national university. The National University will occupy the 6th to 9th floor of the 9-story new multi-level parking building. Two 20-story office buildings intended to cater to business process outsourcing or BPO companies. It will have offices from levels 6 to 20, while the lower levels are meant for parking. The said expansion is rising fast. Please stay tuned for more updates. Alright, that's all for now. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.